Right, we're gonna do our pizza. We have a silicone mat. If you guys can see it, it's gonna be in the description below. So I got a cutter too. What you want to do is spread out some flour, right? So we'll stick into the mat. Make sure it doesn't stick. And if it's a little wet, dry it up. I just rinsed it off this mat and dried it up as much as you can. All right. Put some everywhere. Some people like to put oil on their hands, but today we're just gonna. These are Trader Joe's dough ready to go. Yeah, Ryan? I'm gonna open it up. Let's try to get everything out because it's sticking to the plastic. As much as we can. And with this, you can make two to three pizzas almost. It's a lot of dough. So, and my advice is leave it out for a while. And look at that, it's gonna come off easily. And of course, we're gonna work on it a little bit, fluff it up. I would leave it resting even longer, but today we don't have time. I got the oven on already, so make sure get a little bit of flour everywhere. More flour. Wake it up. All right, this is good. It's ready to go. So we're gonna do, I'm not a professional, right? I just look like one. All right, what we want to do is make sure we got the dough ready. So cut it into two pieces. Like I said, it's two pizzas in here. All right, and start working a ball, and then you start messing around with it, shaping it up to the pizza, and then you can start spinning it around to make more. All right, I think we're ready to start adding it into our oven here. So it's not the perfect shape, but it does good. Now, we're also gonna flour with this, right? So it won't stick anywhere. Then, get it nice and large. There we go. This one's ready. So we're gonna add our sauce and pepperonis. All right, first pizza going in the oven here. And I think that's good. Let's see how it came out. So it's perfect. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful pizza. It's ready. So let's go and eat it.